Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser in Samsung A53 5G. But before you continue this video, as always I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support the channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do, of course you just have to go ahead to your settings. I'm gonna open it. And in the settings page you just have to scroll it down until you find the apps option. Here you are. Now go ahead. After, go ahead to the first option, which is choose default apps, and now tap on this browser app. And as you can see, I use the UZ browser as my default browser. So if you want to change it to the Google Chrome, you just have to tap on the circle next to the Chrome like this. I'm gonna go back, and as you can see, it will automatically save. Well, yeah, just it. I think it's enough guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.